Freezing weather can be a major problem for pipes during the winter, and this tube in my backyard has on occasion frozen during the winter. The overnight temperatures have been below freezing and have stayed that way for about 3 weeks. So as a safety measure, I got this heating cable from Amazon. Sometimes it's called heat tape, but it really isn't tape at all. What I have here is a condensation drain pipe from my furnace. In the past, whenever it freezes, it stops my furnace from working. So this year I attached a heat cable, and as you can see, it's keeping the water from freezing. The good thing is that this is not a pressurized water line, so I'm not really worried that this will burst. But it does carry quite a bit of condensation which runs through this pipe. When temperatures stay below freezing all day and night, ice builds up and eventually clogs this all up. And all I have to do is plug it in. There's no need to monitor it because there's a built-in thermostat to tell it when to shut off. With the heat tape attached, I no longer have to worry about this pipe freezing up. It's waterproof and can be used on plastic and metal pipes, faucets, bird baths, gutters, and other areas to prevent freezing. I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. It's well worth the price because calling a plumber can be really expensive. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.